Happy Wednesday. I have a new thinking cap on today. So if you do too, send me a picture. I want to see your awesome thinking caps. All right, we're going to do some sight word practice. We're going to do some reading, and then you're going to get on benchmark. Those are our reading goals for today. So for our sight words, I'm going to show you. I want you to say it. Even though you're at home, I still want you to say it out loud, and let's do the action together. Okay, ready? Say the word in 3, 2. Near. What is near? When something's really, really close to you and almost touching. Very, very near. Good job. All right, let's say this one in 3. What's the word? Every. Like everyone in the whole wide world needs oxygen to breathe. Good. Ooh. Say the word in 3. School. Good job. School. And our action for that was doing something you do at school. And our last one. What's the word? Earth. Very good. And our action for that was our globe that goes around the sun. Earth. Very good. All right, now I'm going to write some words. You don't need to write anything today. I just want you to listen. I'm going to write some words, and then we're going to find the bossy R and then blend it. So we're going to be looking for the ER, IR, and UR. Okay, so our first one, we'll start off with an easy one. Where's our bossy R pair? Right there, the U and the R. And we know from this week, if we see that U and R, it says So let's read this word. Fur. Too easy. Let's try a harder one. Actually, this one's pretty easy too. All right, look at this next word. Where's our bossy R pair? Right there, ER. And we know from this week that ER says So let's sound it out. Her. Very good. Ooh, this one's going to change around a little bit. I'm going to add another letter. All right. Where's our bossy R pair? UR. Good job. Let's sound it out. Hurt. Good job. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 3 more. All right, what's our bossy R pair? IR this time, but IR still says So let's read it. I'm reading it backwards. Dirt. Good. On my screen it looks backwards to me, so I have to read backwards. This was the word that I thought it was. Where's our bossy R pair? It's IR again. All right, let's sound out this one. Bird. All right, let's do, there's actually 2 more. All right, here we go. This one has a couple more letters, but we're gonna sound it out, no problem. Where's our bossy R pair? Right there. IR, which says so let's sound it out. First. There we go, first. And our last word. Where's our bossy R pair? IR again. And then what does TH say? So let's sound it out. Third place. All right. For the rest of our reading today, you are going to do, I think it's a sight word memory match, where you say the words and you try to match them. And then you're going to get on benchmark. And for benchmark this week, instead of just doing one story, there were actually a lot of stories that I thought were so good. So I wanted you to be able to choose which story you wanted. So I'm going to show you what it'll look like. So when you get on benchmark, the activity is called Choose One to Read. Okay? So when you click on that, it'll give you 3 different books. It'll give you Star Patterns, Our Turning Planets, and Red Bird Chirps. Now, I really am excited about you guys getting to choose your books this week because you can read the same book Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can read a different book every day. You get to choose. You could read Red Bird for 2 days and then read about the planets, or you could read about a different one each day. I thought all 3 were really awesome books, so that's why I wanted to give you a choice. So I'm going to show you a quick preview, and then I'll tell you what to do. So Red Bird Chirps has our sight words. What did I click on? clicked on something different. So there we go. So it's a story about a bird. I'm going to guess it's probably fiction because the red bird is talking. So if you want to read a fiction story about a bird, you can read Red Bird Chirps. And this one, as you read through, you are still going to use your tools. Find the sounds. So all the IR, UR, IR, and IR. Oh, I need to do a different color. I can't even read that. Let's do blue. There we go. IR and IR, Red Bird Chirps. So as you read through, you're still going to be looking for our words. Chirp, right there. Chirp. All right, so that's Red Bird Chirps. You could read this one today, or you could read it tomorrow or Friday. You get to choose. The next book, I thought this one was really cool. It's called Our Turning Planets. So if you're really interested in the solar system and learning about planets, this is a good book for you to choose. So this one, oh wow, look at that. That is so cool. So it gives you lots of good facts about the sun, about planets. There are still sounds in it, so you're still going to use your highlighter. Let's see, order, kind of, Mercury, near. So you're just going to look for those sounds. So if you're interested in reading about the planets, the first planet, the third planet, very cool. You can choose this story. And the last one is called Star Patterns. The fancy word for that is constellations. And I love finding patterns. Oh, look at that. They matched some stars together and made it into a bear. So cool. So this one's about constellations and the star patterns. And you'll do the same thing. You'll get your little highlighter tool, and as you read, you're going to look for the R words. You have R, or all of those, okay? And if you do find ones that we worked on the last few weeks, AR, OR, definitely highlight those too, okay? And the same thing with all these stories. Read it through at least twice. If you need help on a word.
Why?
They.
Stars are.
Stars.
Much.
So if you need help with words, you can click on them. But I want you to do it through twice. You can listen to it the first time if you want. The next time, try to read most of it out loud. But if there are words you are stuck on, try to sound it out.
Twinkling.
Or you can listen to it. Okay? So today you get to choose if you want to read about the planets, about the star patterns, or about Red Bird Sings. Okay? So when you get onto Benchmark, you're going to go to the one that says choose one to read. And then you choose one and read it through at least twice. Okay, have fun, and I'll see you back again for math.